Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to change your primary device on Interactive Brokers by migrating your ibkr authentication to a new phone. This works for both iOS and Android. First, on your new device, download and install the ibkr mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure you select ibkr Mobile, not the standalone ibkr app. Once it installs, you'll see the app icon on your home screen. Open the app. On the first screen, tap I have an account to get to the login screen. Enter your Interactive Broker's username and password, then tap Login. The migration options screen will appear. Now tap Migrate ibkr. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Tap Migrate ibkr again to confirm. You'll see an instruction screen. Review it, then tap Continue at the bottom. This takes you to a credential re-entry screen. You'll need to enter your username and password one more time. Fill them in and tap Login again. The app will send a text message to your registered phone number and you'll see a waiting screen. Check your messages for the activation token from Interactive Brokers. Once it arrives, enter the token in the field that appears on screen. Now tap the button at the bottom. It should say something like Activate or Verify depending on your device. Once the success message shows up, tap Done to finish the process. The app will return to the main screen. Your old device's ibkr will automatically be deactivated. Interactive Brokers only allows one active authentication device at a time per username. To make sure everything's working, test logging into Client Portal or Trader Workstation with your new device. The authentication should go straight through. If the Migrate ibkr option doesn't show up after you log in, try uninstalling the ibkr mobile app completely, reinstalling it, then going through the login process again. Some users have reported this resolves the issue. That's it, your primary device is now changed. Thanks for watching.